I don't know how this happened. I don't even understand how this can be possible. All I know is I want to go back home. I can't do this without my family.
Which one of you pieces just got my phone? Is there a doctor here? Anybody? Is there a doctor?
Please, I'm family! Mom!
And then people started waking up at different times and freaking out. But you were the last one to wake up, and I thought you should know. No, the preacher was the first. I was the second.
There's a preacher here?
Yeah, some guy walking around with the Bible, but I think there's something there.
Why are you telling me this?
I was desperate for a book of Revelation for you. I got on that cliff and I jumped, but here I am with your pinche cabrones. In my hands is your fate, your destiny. We are not animals. We are not beasts.
I am the HNIC.
Order! Over me!
Who's with me? And I'm ready to die.